it's me again, Teacher Annabelle. Today, we're going to learn another lesson in English now. Are you now ready? Let's start!
Kids, let's have our vocabulary. Can you say it again, please? Vocabulary. Are you now ready? Let's begin! Okay, what is the number one? What is number one? Okay, repeat after Teacher Annabelle. Man-made. 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 Good job, man-made. And let's spin. Let's have number two, kids. Number two is sounds. Say it again. Sounds. Sounds. Very good. And of course, the last one is natural. 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 Very good. It's review time. Last week, we've discussed about colors. And we have different kinds of colors. Like red, green, and blue. Our lesson for today will be based on your book, All About Me. So now, we are going to tackle about natural and man-made sound. Natural and man-made sound. Kids, are you ready to know the difference between natural and man-made sound? Let's go! Natural sounds are any sounds produced by nature. Say for example, we have thunderstorm, bird chirping, and dog barking. So that is an example of natural sounds. Okay? Now let's have man-made sounds. When we say man-made sounds, these are sounds produced by any human activity. Say for example, playing instrument, playing guitar. Second one is emergency siren. And the last one is the marapa sound. So kids, those are examples of man-made sounds. Now kids, we'll be having an activity. Guess the sound nature. One more time, guess the sound nature. Number one, what do you think is that sound? Can you hear some water? Good job! Rain. 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 So rain is a natural sound. Now let's listen to number two. What do you think is that sound? Fire. 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 Perfect. Now let's listen to number three. Perfect. Waterfall. 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 Fantastic. Now let's listen to number four. Wind. 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 Very good. Let's have the last number. Number five. Waves. 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 Excellent. Kids, let's have our activity. So you're going to tell me if the picture is natural or man-made sound. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's do number 1. Okay, kids, we're going to talk number 1. Are you ready? Okay, so the question is, which one is an example of natural sound? Which one is an example of natural sound? Is it A, fan sound? B, is it rain sound? Which one is your answer, kids? Good job! It's letter B, rain sound. Correct! Now, let's move to the next question. Let's top number 2. Alright, the question is, which of the following is a man-made sound? One more time. Which of the following is a man-made sound? Is it A, marapa sound? Or letter B, thunderstorm? A or B? What's your answer, kids? Correct. It's marapa sound. That is letter A. Fantastic. Now, let's proceed to the next number. Number 3. Which one is natural sound? Which one is a natural sound? Is it A, chirping bird? Or letter B, marapa sound? Which one is a natural sound, kids? Chirping bird? Tweet, 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 tweet. Or marapa sound? You got it right. It's letter A. Very good, kids. So let's see if how many did we got? Wow, so you got 3/3. Listen carefully and tell me if it's natural or man-made sound. Understand? Alright, let's begin. Correct, it's car mowing. Now, tell me if it's natural or man-made sound. What's your answer, kids? Tick-tock, tick-tock. Great! It's natural sound. Very good. Listen carefully. What do you hear? What do you hear? You're correct. Rain. So, is it natural or man-made? Good job! It's natural sound. Rain is natural sound. Can you say it again? Natural. Very good. Kids, what do you hear? Is that thunderstorm? No, ambulance. Very good. Now kids, tell me if it's natural sound or man-made sound. Wow, very good. It's man-made sound. Ambulance is a man-made sound. Uh-oh, what do you hear? What do you think is that sound? Correct. Airplane flyby. Let's say it again. Airplane flyby. So, that is natural or man-made? You got it right. It's man-made sound. Fantastic. How about that one, kids? What do you hear? Is that cat? No, dogs barking. So, is it natural or man-made? It's natural sound. Listen carefully. What do you hear? Is that bus? No, train. So train is a man-made sound. Train is a man-made sound. Uh-oh, what is that sound? What can you hear? Yes, wind. And wind is a natural sound. Now, I want you to open your book on page 10, All About Me, Level 2. Instructions. Put a tick and a circle of the man-made sound. Now, look at the two pictures and tell me which one is a man-made sound. Is it bird chirping or the boy who's holding maracas? So you're going to tick the boy who's holding maracas. What kind of material should we put in the maracas for making a sound? So what are we going to put? Now, draw a circle around the materials that make the maracas sound. So, first picture, look at the clay. Do you think clay are making sound? No. How about the next one? Beads. Do you think beads are making a sound? Correct. So you're going to draw a circle. Let's have the third picture, pebbles. Are they making sound? Yes, you're correct. So you're going to circle the pebbles. Great. Let's have the last picture, cottons. Do you think cottons are making a sound? No. Again, circle the pebbles and the beads. Very good. For our summary, we've learned about yes, natural and man-made sound. Now, tell me, what is that sound? Is it man-made or natural? Man-made sound.
For today, kids, I hope you've learned something from our lesson today. Goodbye, kids. Have a nice day.